Shh, I may or may not be hiding in the bathroom. This is my me time every day when I get in the shower and I can just relax. Ryan watches Iris and I luxuriate with my favorite bath products. I've been using this Nécessaire body wash. It smells so good and it's a clean beauty product. It's really important to me to have good ingredients since Iris is all over my skin these days. Then I use their exfoliator a couple times a week because my stomach is especially dry after being pregnant. I'm not really sure why. Happened to anybody else? And then I use the body lotion after I get out of the shower. I got a discount for you. It's Katie Lee 10. You can swipe